Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of Logitech International SA, a company that's making headlines left and right. So, let's break it down. First up, Logitech is turning heads in the stock market with some stellar upgrades. Their relative strength rating just ticked up from a solid 78 to an even more impressive 81. Now, for those scratching their heads, let me decode that for you. The RS rating is a nifty little score that ranges from 1 to 99, tracking how a stock's price action stacks up against the entire market over the past year. Research shows that a rating of 80 or higher often tags stocks that are primed for big moves. With 4 quarters of rising earnings and consistent sales growth, Logitech is definitely flexing its financial muscles. Take note, they're now ranked second in the computer hardware peripherals industry group, just behind Supermicro Computer. But wait, there's more. Logitech isn't just content with stock market prowess. They're also amping up their product game. They've recently rolled out the MeetUp 2, the latest in their savvy line of AI-powered USB conference cameras. This sleek gadget is tailored for huddle and small meeting rooms, boasting Right Sight 2 technology, which zeroes in on the active speaker and drowns out unwanted noise. And, for all you IT folks out there, remote monitoring and software updates make managing these bad boys a breeze. Compatible with the holy trinity of virtual meetings, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet, the MeetUp 2 is poised to make a splash. Speaking of splashes, Logitech has been on an innovation spree. Just in the past year, they've cranked out goodies like the MX Brio 705 for business, MX Keys S Combo, MX Keys S, and MX Anywhere 3S under their Master Series aimed at creatives and software developers. Not to mention their Zone 2 wireless headphones featuring AI for crystal clear calls. Oh, and let's not overlook the eco-friendly Logitech Sight, an AI-powered tabletop companion camera that's racked up certifications from Microsoft Teams and Zoom Room. Phew, that's a lot of goodies. Currently, Logitech holds a Zacks Rank number 3, with their shares delivering a hearty 41.7% return over the past year. They've clearly caught the eye of tech analysts, even getting nods from powerhouse stocks like AppFolio, Arista Networks, and Alphabet. So what do you think, folks? Is Logitech International SA positioning itself as the next big player in the tech world? Are their innovative products catching your eye? Or are you more intrigued by their rising stock performance? We want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts, comments, and hot takes below. Until next time, keep geeking out with the latest tech trends and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.